Alright, tech fam, buckle up because this might just be the wildest Galaxy Watch leak we've seen in a while. You know we're no strangers to juicy leaks around here, but this one's straight up eBay chaos. Yep, you heard that right. Someone's already selling a prototype of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic on eBay for anywhere between $200 and $500. And mind you, Samsung's official launch isn't even for another month. Clearly, someone's got no chill, and they're trying to flip a sneak peek before Samsung can even say, unpacked. So let's talk about this mystery prototype. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check. Over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel. It genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you've made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. According to the listing, it's a 46mm silver metal case strapped to a black stitched leather band. Pretty slick. And the model number, STEMNL5U, hints that it's the LTE version meant for the US market. Design-wise, this one's chunky, like chunky in a half-circle, half-square kind of way. Imagine a mashup between the Galaxy Watch Ultra and the old-school Classic. The vibe? Squirrely chic, I guess. But here's the real shocker. The rotating bezel is back. Yep, everyone's favorite fidget spinner for your wrist is making a comeback. Although in these pics, it does look a little wonky. Oh, and there are 3 buttons chilling on the right side, plus a pretty beefy speaker on the left. One downside though, no standard strap connectors this time around. So if you're dreaming of swapping out bands like you did on older Galaxy watches, sorry, not gonna happen here. But it's not all about looks. This prototype's packing some serious muscle under the hood. 64 gigs of internal storage, that's double what the Galaxy Watch 7 and the Watch Ultra had. Big win. Most likely running on the familiar Exynos W1000 chip, same as its siblings. Expected to ship with Wear OS 6 and Samsung's shiny new One UI 8 watch skin. As for the display, expect a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED panel with an always-on mode, topped with sapphire crystal glass for that extra scratch resistance. Connectivity? You name it. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, dual-frequency GPS. And let's not forget 10 watts of wireless charging, because who's got time for cables these days? Of course, the health tracking game is still strong. ECG, heart rate, SpO2, temperature sensing, all the good stuff you'd expect. Now the current owner hasn't actually managed to power it up yet, probably because it's still in pre-release limbo. But honestly, given how legit this looks, it's a pretty safe bet that this is the real deal. If the rumors are to be believed, Samsung's gonna blow the lid off the Galaxy Watch 8 series this July, right alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7. So yeah, it's gonna be a stacked launch event. But don't get too hyped for the Watch Ultra 2 just yet. That one's reportedly still baking and won't see daylight until next year. So what do you think? Did this Rove eBay listing just ruin Samsung's surprise party? Are you excited about the return of the rotating bezel, or is that chunky design turning you off? Drop your hot takes in the comments. I want to know if you'd scoop up this mystery prototype or hold out for the official launch. As always, thanks for hanging out. Stay curious, stay techie. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and keep your eyes peeled for the next crazy leak.